Introducing the amazing Kenmore Intuition, the revolutionary, powerful, lightweight upright vacuum with a complete Allergen Seal system featuring no-touch emptying, no more dust plumes or cleanouts, and no mess. When you're ready to empty, it's just push and release. That's cleaner cleaning.
You don't really touch the bag, you just simply press the button and it comes right out.
The secret to a cleaner clean is the Kenmore Intuition's exclusive Allergen Seal HEPA filtration bag and capture seal, where dust particles and allergens go in, and even when you empty, they don't get out.
The Intuition is a perfect vacuum for our family. We have a million things to clean up already. The more we can simplify, especially cleaning, I need a good vacuum that's gonna make it quick and easy for me. And the Intuition is so easy. It simplifies my life and makes cleaning easier, faster, and cleaner.
With the Intuition's revolutionary no-touch disposal, there is no dust plume and no hand cleaning ever.
Just push a button and it released the bag directly into the trash can.
Watch how Kenmore's unique Powerflow technology compacts debris as it's vacuumed, so you empty far less often. In fact, the Allergen Seal bag holds up to 4 times as much as a conventional dust cup. And Kenmore's 1100-watt motor maintains powerful suction, even as the bag fills, pulling soil, dust, and allergens from deep down in your carpet and sealing them tight.
The suction is strong. I know it's going to do the job, and I can trust that it's going to pick up the mess that my kids and my cats leave behind.
And thanks to the Intuition's built-in lift-up convenience and versatility, above-the-floor cleaning is effortless. Now, getting to hard-to-reach places where dirt can hide, like ceiling fans, corners, mantles, shades, windowsills, and more, is a breeze. And the Intuition weighs only 8 pounds in lift-up mode, so cleaning stairs is a whole lot easier and faster.
I have some nooks and crannies that I didn't have to move everything and still do a great job of cleaning and picking up that dust.
From multiple floor surfaces, to the bag, to the trash, the Intuition's amazing, powerful suction, capacity, triple filtration technology, and exclusive Allergen Seal with no-touch emptying means you can get cleaner cleaning for your home and for your family. The Kenmore Intuition is everything you dreamed a vacuum should be while delivering a cleaner clean than you've ever seen.